Je rêvais d'un monde nouveau, sans excès cette fois, plutôt plus courtois, un monde bien plus beau. Je l'ai déjà vu 1000 fois, mais jamais sans toi.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Unclutched Sprints. If you are new to the channel, I am Aishwarya
I am Avinash.
And I am Ashmi.
and we make travel videos and share our life here in New Zealand. So today's vlog is super special because we are going to have our first camping trip together and it is going to be fun. We are at Coromandel. This place is actually a very beautiful place. Yesterday we went to Cathedral Cove and it was most amazing sight I have seen ever. Coromandel is one of the most beautiful places in New Zealand. Beaches, forests and such a peaceful vibe. Perfect for camping and disconnecting from a city life. We are traveling as a family and honestly, half of the fun is having the road trip together itself. So before heading to campsite, we are here stopping at Foursquare to do some purchasing and buying our camping essentials. One thing about camping is you always feel like you need to have everything.
We are going to do some shopping. Let's go with us.
Let's go shopping.
मुझे नहीं बैठना है ट्रॉली में ये वाला Look, I had 2 yogurts.
And we are going to get some pre-marinated meat. I think we would go with the Malaysian kebabs. We'll get some veggies and bread.
Eggs.
हाँ वो भी लेंगे. So we are getting Greek salad which already has dressing with it.
I'm taking my favorite white bread.
We get some eggs. We have got our own little refrigerator which has gels and it's already been freezed, so we'll keep everything in it to keep it nice and cold. As we are on our way to our camping spot, we thought to stop for a while because we wanted to enjoy this beautiful view. So this is on the way to Coromandel and look at the view. The ocean seems so beautiful and the shimmering waves are just worth enjoying. This road in Coromandel feels like nature's own welcome. It's so beautiful. We have road on the side and a beautiful blue ocean on the other. This is why we enjoy traveling. We wait, we pause, we enjoy the moment, take in all the beauty of the nature and just have fun. So we are here at the campsite and now we are setting up our little tent and this is Avinash fixing the tent for us. We have few pegs which we need to fixate. Setting up a tent is not easy. As you see in YouTube, it takes lots of efforts. Now we are just pegging down everything so that a tent doesn't fly away when the winds are strong, because you know in New Zealand you'll always have strong winds.
Hi guys, we are making our tent.
Setting up a tent.
Setting up our tent. So the tent is settled. Set. So you can look at it. I'm helping Mama Dada to make it. Bye bye.
And everyone is setting up their tent here. So this is the camping area. And this is a fee. For adults we have $10, for children it's $5. And such a pretty sight. Everyone is enjoying their vacation here. It's a nice sunny day. A nice day to camp around. And this is our tent. It's almost set up. So this is tent for 4 people. And Avinash is just pegging everything down to tighten up. And there are many tents around. We have little helper Ashvi helping us out. So we had great time swimming in this river, which was very close to our campsite. It was just next to it, and that was the reason why we selected this camping site, because it has a swimming hole, and it's very safe. Ashvi enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. We are not good at swimming, but still, we had a blast of time. And now we are super hungry, so we will head back to our camp and cook something for everyone.
This is how spacious and beautiful our tent looks from inside. And this is our bed. It's an air mattress and it has a machine which will fill the air in it. So we'll set up the bed because the time is 7:30. This is a queen size mattress, air mattress. We bought it from warehouse. It was about around $100, I guess. I don't remember the price exactly. The Best Way, the company name is Best Way. And it has inbuilt air pump, rechargeable. So once you start, it will fill up the mattress in around 5 minutes, and you are good to go.
So we got 2 air below. We will fill it with air now. Then watch us. It's filled with air now.
And satay chicken, it's a marinated one we bought in the morning. And this is the dinner time, and it looks yummy.
And I'm eating dumpling. My dumplings are
almost 9 in the evening, and everyone here is having their dinner, having good time. It's almost sunset time. Such a pretty sky to look at, and everyone is settled here with their cars and tent. And this is our tent, quite spacious, and we got the mattress ready and the pillows ready, so it's perfect setup. We got a little lamp here, and all the vents are open so that it's quite airy inside. And hi guys, say hi Ashwin. Hi. So that's all for today's vlog, guys. We had a great time camping here at Coromandel, and it was so much fun. We had lots of adventure. We went swimming and cooked a meal, and everything was just perfect. And we are going to definitely do this adventure again and going to camp again here. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Unclid Sprints. If you enjoy camping, let us know in the comments below, and we would love to do camping with you guys. And
we will go camping again soon.
So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye bye. See you in the next one.